Let's try this gap. Oh! Oh! I got a branch there. Let's see if we can turtle. Okay guys, we are at the spot again. I brought the Kuhl with the 3 PV mount. Today I want to do the line. I did the past 2 times, but with the 3 PV mount, and maybe I merge the 3 lines together to get some funny compilation maybe. Also, I wanted to show you my nice prints like this one for the balance connector and this one for the battery. That's a belt clip like this, and then you can just put it anywhere without having a bulge in your pocket. Okay, let's fly. Let's go for the line right away. I think I will use the first pack to fly the old line. And then I use the second pack to do a new one. Ooh, that wasn't very good. Let's go again. That wasn't very good either. Whee! The branch ferry is strong today. That was crazy. I think I dodged like 3 branches on the dive. I guess I have to use the second pack as well, because it is super cold and the Lipo is already dead. I can't even punch it very well. Well, I guess that's that. Oh, branch ferry. She got me good there. Wow. That was a failed attempt, I guess. I don't know how often I crashed that one. I think we still have a slight imbalance in the pitch and roll because of the new camera mount. I guess I have to check the lock again. Okay, let's put on the next Lipo and see if we can do the line clean once at least. Okay. Sadly it's very cold and oh, there's some scraggle. Right into the line. Nice, that was good. So now let's put on the new line. So I thought I will do the rewind here. Like this. Immelman, full roll. Maybe punch out and back into the gap again. Like this. Ooh, it was a high punch out. Nice. And then power loop. Let's try this gap. Oh! Oh! I got a branch there. Let's see if we can turtle. That's the first proper crash I had. Ah, we are still flying. Nice. The dog is already on a rescue mission. Little shit. He's totally gonna mark this one. When this one is big, I will trippy spin it. Let's not get discouraged. It looks like the frame survived actually. Let's try not crashing it again. Whoop. Wee! Okay, that's it. That's meant. I think we taunted the branch ferry enough for today. Oh. Yeah, when you are using a thing like that, you might want to fix the corner so it doesn't blow up if you land. Okay guys, that's it. Also let's check for any damage. I don't see any. The antenna is slightly bent, but otherwise I don't even see an impact actually. I think we are good. Nice.